Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. If this is your first time being here, please by all means go ahead and like right now, subscribe, press the notification bell, and then stay tuned. I'm about to drop some knowledge, okay? For those of you who are returning, thank you so much for your support and welcome back. So for all of you who are here right now, I'm going to show you exactly what I did to these thin locks. I actually combined them during my last self-retightening because, yeah, my sister is like on my own. Once again, one more time, by myself.
No.
Right. But yeah, I'm gonna show y'all how I actually go in and I repair these twin dragons, because most people get the twin dragons and they cut one of them off. I don't even have the hair or the density to cut anything off over here, so I'm trying to make some other type of moves. Okay, so if you want to know how to combine your thinning locks, you want to know how to combine those thin sister locks, stay tuned. So hey everyone, so you're here, that means that you want to know what I'm going to do with these sister locks. So on my last video, while I was doing my self-retightening, I was talking about how I was going to have this particular tool that I saw on Amazon. Honestly, I saw the tool, I think, on I Love Bright Colors. Her video, she had it where you repair the actual locks. And then my daughter, who has locks as well, she was repairing one of hers, or trying to, I don't know, I think it was thin or spot or whatever. So she had these tools and she told me how to use it, and I watched her use it. So I went and got the same thing. Now they're in the case right now, so I'm going to take them out. I got these from Amazon. It came with these three repair little sticks or whatever, and it also came with these locking tools and stuff, right? So when my locks, hopefully now, since I've combined them, I would actually be able to use one of these and everything. But they came in three. There's a gold, a silver, and a rose gold. And then these repair, I think they're called crochet needles or something. This is the 0.5. It has two of them on it. It has the, if you can see that, 0.5 millimeters. This one right here is the, oh wait, okay, so 0.5 as well. It's just not doubled. Okay, and this one right here is triple, and they all are 0.5. And the reason why I got the 0.5 millimeter is because that was the one that my daughter used, and her hair is thicker than mine, but it looks like the needle part on it, crochet part on it, is going to be just the right size to get through my locks. So I'm going to warn y'all, okay? I don't necessarily know what I'm doing, all right? I just watched a few little videos and everything to see, but this is the first time out. I didn't even practice, okay? So what y'all see is what y'all gonna get, and I don't know what the end result is gonna be. Now, remember, when I did my self-retightening, okay, which now I have to be my own loctician, because I'm not going to say I got fired by my loctician. My loctician is about to have a baby, so I understand that or whatever and stuff. But I canceled on her one time before, and I think through misunderstanding and stuff, I was canceled on. I was canceled on maybe. But either way, that's why I had to do my retightening the second time. And so now I'm just at a point where, hey, I'm just going to do it, because honestly, I'm saving money. I'm spending time with myself to get my mind right, you know, all this other stuff. So, hey, it's a win-win for me, okay? As long as my hair turns out the way it needs to be, we're good. And like I told y'all, if y'all been following me long enough, you already know. Come on, I do everything to my hair. So these locks ain't gonna be no different. But either way, y'all, let me get into it, okay? So I have a mirror over here, so if I'm looking over there, I'm going to try to get as close as I can to the camera, but I'm going to be looking in the mirror as well, because I need to see exactly what I'm doing. Yeah, so I think the goal is to stick this through your locks. Now, I'm going to take the ones that I doubled up on, because, yeah, there's one right there. So all I did was do a 2-strand twist, okay? So you'll see, I'll go ahead and go through this part for you because all I did was combine them. Now you wouldn't believe those were actually like 2 locks. You see how thin my hair is? What I'm gonna do is this. Now I know, let me see. Oh y'all, I don't know if this is the right size. Oh jeez, this thing hurts your finger and everything. What is going on? I know you're supposed to do something like you keep sticking it in there and stuff, and you're supposed to like kind of roughen it up, I guess, or something. Y'all, listen. Tell me if I'm doing this thing right. I almost want to go ahead. Oh, y'all, I don't know if I'm doing this right or if this is too big. This might be a fail right here. I'm not sure. But it's supposed to like, you're supposed to like stick it in the lock, I guess. Is that right? Y'all, I'm sticking it in the lock. We got to stab this thing. Y'all see how thin that still is though? So my daughter, she said that she was going in there and she was basically going through the lock and then pulling. And I know this gonna take forever though. Y'all, I don't know. Cause my thing is this, okay? I know I'm gonna be sounding crazy, but I don't plan on cutting off these locks cause it's a twin dragon right now. You know what I'm saying? And I want them to have the width of both locks together. So that was my whole purpose of combining them. Now this part doesn't work, then I'm just gonna, when I tell you, I'm just gonna go ahead and let it be what it's gonna be. Because some of my other twin dragons, I found those and they start to lock together already because I just haven't cut them off from where my loctician had, you know, did it. So y'all, a sister right now. Y'all, okay, maybe I'm doing it wrong, but let me check it out. Let me see. Now I went all through here. You know, oh look. That girl got, okay, I got this. Hold on. I'm too excited now. Hold on, let me twist this thing on up. Okay, something working. Y'all, I'm gonna be stabbing my finger all night though, and I ain't gonna lie, I don't know how many of my locks I actually combined. Y'all know I had like 421. The way I was combining these suckers last night and over the weekend, y'all listen, I may have 380 something now because I know for sure that I probably went and combined a bunch of them. Y'all, this is the closest I ever been to this camera, but I know that in some of my videos I try to show y'all things and I'm not close enough to the camera, and I actually do this with my phone, so that's another thing. And I mean, my thing won't let me zoom in, so I don't know. And as much as I watched how to do the YouTube close-ups and you know how to zoom in on stuff, I still can't get it. Y'all don't want to mess with my little bud now, okay? Got a little bud going on right here. But y'all, I think I got it. That's not too bad at all. I just don't want it to have the 2-strand twist pattern or anything. I want it to look as natural as it can. And these right here still aren't as thick as the ones in the back of my head, which that's fine, but they are a lot thicker than what they were with them being combined. So y'all, I think I did something. Hold on, let me see. Okay, look. Oh, look at this. I have all the way down to right here. Y'all, did y'all see that? Right before your eyes, I'm telling you this. Y'all, okay, let me start getting excited. You know, y'all know I'm from South Carolina, so y'all is just a thing, okay? So don't be mad and be like, oh my gosh, she can't talk. I can, but sometimes I get excited, so that's what I say. But y'all, I'm trying to get the last part of this right here because I really want this thing to be combined. I don't know why I started on this lock. I gotta keep up with which lock I'm working on. Look at here. Y'all, the 2-strand, I mean that end right there, but look at that. Oh, I got too happy for no reason. Y'all, okay, let me go on back down here. Y'all, I thought I had something. I did though, because it's not going beyond that. And this is the one I did last night, so let me celebrate. Okay. But y'all, this is how it's going to go. Now, I'm not going to stay on here for too much longer, but this is what I'm going to do. I also may take the double one. Let me see if that one will work better, because since I gotta do the whole thing, it's not like I'm just, you know, going through and y'all, okay, let me get a train of thought. It's not like I'm just going through one part of the lock. I gotta do this whole thing. So y'all, I'm gonna leave this one alone, but I'm satisfied with it though. I don't know if y'all can see that. I always do my hand. Y'all, how do people do their hands on the how they do their hands on the video? Y'all, oh, for real now. Okay, that's how it looks now. Okay, so I still got this little end and stuff, but I promise you that after time and everything, when my hair actually starts to lock up, this is not even gonna be a problem. I'm gonna have me some locks, okay, that are not super thin, because my other ones, I promise you, I thought they were gonna like break off at the end. Some of them only had like 3 strands of hair, and I don't know if that was just from, you know, some of them marrying or whatever stuff. And I noticed it the last time when I retightened my hair. So now I'm like, okay, let me just try to get my locks together and stuff. You know what I'm saying? That's not no hit on my loctician or anything else. Like I said, I couldn't tell you what was going on with them and stuff, even though I would mess with my hair. You know, when you have to self-retighten, you get to know your hair a little bit more. Even more than just styling it and braiding and banding. So yeah, I got to know my locks a little bit more, and what I saw I didn't particularly care for in some areas. Now, like I said, there's nothing against my loctician, because she hooked me up, did what she had to do and everything like that. But now that I'm maintaining myself, I'm gonna do what I do. You know what I'm saying? Because I got to do what I got to do for my hair. You know what I'm saying? What I'm saying. That's what's about to happen. A sister is gonna be all up in here and stuff, and I'm telling you right now, I will go to the self-retightening class, because, you know, I feel like I could possibly do the Sisterlocks and everything. It wasn't something I really set out to do, but now that I have to do my own, I see that I could possibly do them with someone else's hair or whatever and stuff. So, and if you already got your Sisterlocks established and you looking for a loctician or whatever on the low, I'm just saying, I'm in Tampa. I'm in Tampa, so for real, because honestly, it's not as hard as I thought it was going to be, okay? I mean, I'm not taking nothing away from anybody that does locks, Sisterlocks, or anything like that, because for real, you went and you got your training, everything else, and it could be done. But seriously, I watched a lot of videos and stuff like that. I'm not saying I'm an expert at it, but I ain't too shabby either. All right, so I'm just saying. So yeah, I ain't gonna take from nobody, but y'all notice this? It's straighter, right? Look at that hair compared to that one. Y'all, I might be able to get some more length without flat ironing, like most of y'all. I gotta do more videos and everything, y'all. Please, below, if you haven't already, subscribe, okay? If you hear stuff like that, I mean, just go ahead and subscribe. Y'all know it's free. Ain't too many things you're going to be able to get for free, but can y'all please just go ahead and subscribe to this page? I appreciate it. But yeah, leave your comments below and stuff. Have you ever used this tool, and how did it work for you? Now, that's another double one, y'all. I am not, when I tell y'all, I don't know if I'm going to be able to keep up with which ones need to be done or not, but this one I'm going to do, I'm going to use this 3-prong one, because it seems like it may get the job done faster. And y'all, this video, I don't mean for it to be so long, but y'all know I like to ramble too. But I'm gonna cut it in a minute. But it looks like I don't know if they had anything smaller than this on Amazon. If y'all, hey, if these things come smaller, somebody leave a link or something like that down below to tell me if it comes smaller than this. This one is 0.5 millimeters, okay? So leave that and see how big that is, and that's a 3-prong one, but it's not really that big. So, but I need something a little smaller. It's like, I don't want to take a needle or nothing like that to go on my hair, because I really think the ends, the way that this is, can y'all see that? I think that's what causes it to roughen up or whatever. But I'm just trying to salvage these locks and everything, and then make them combine as fast as possible, so that way we can go ahead and get this hair flourishing. You know what I'm saying? So by the time I make it to a year, y'all ain't gonna be able to tell me none, because I'm gonna tell you right now. I'm gonna put some pictures up. All right, so this is a picture of when I first started. The day I started, okay? This is establishment day right here. Y'all see this here now? Let me turn around and give y'all some. Y'all see this? Now, I ain't gonna lie, the back has always been fly, but I'm gonna tell you, those ends and everything that were all curly and stuff, no more, no more. And then look, sister got some growth, you know. Usually when you get your hair retightened and stuff, you can see all the scalp and everything. So this tells me that my hair has actually matured a lot, and I really love it, y'all. My hair is about to be a problem. For those of you who don't know, I'm in the military. One of the no-nos in the military is hair touching your eyebrows. What we supposed to do about this? Y'all already know I ain't trying to pull this hair back. And the army already got me for them buns and stuff, and then jacked up my edges besides, you know, that little mishap. I'm going to go ahead and try to finish up at least a few more of these. This right here is going to be more time consuming than I thought. But y'all, look, thank y'all for hanging in here with me and stuff. I will show y'all eventually in videos to come my progress, because I am not, when I say I am not sitting here, maybe I'll do it while watching Netflix or something. Oh, by the way, y'all drop some movies or whatever y'all watch lately or whatever. You know what I'm saying? So that I could do that and stuff. Because I may just sit on my bed and just do these and everything with a mirror and everything like that. Just drop a good movie that I could possibly look at while I'm doing this. But I would not do this consecutively. Like, I mean, this right here. But I am going to make sure I do this, okay? Because this one wasn't that difficult. This video is entirely too long. I know that I got a voice smooth like butter, but my sister got to go, okay? So, y'all, if you haven't already and you've made it to this part of the video, go ahead and subscribe. Like, subscribe. Yes. Subscribe and then leave a comment. Y'all, answer these questions for me, okay? Have you ever used this tool? If so, am I doing this right? Please leave it in the comments, okay? Also, have you had to do your own self-retightening? What are some things that you learned since you've been sister locked or locked or whatever and stuff? Please tell me. What are some things that you would tell the next person if they read the comments that they should beware of? One thing I will tell you, have a backup loctician. And be ready for the struggle, okay? Because these right here are gorgeous, but I'm telling you now, it could be a struggle sometimes. So anyway, that's my little tidbit. Y'all, please drop the comments below. Again, like, comment, subscribe, share, and press that notification bell. And until the next time, yeah, I just thought I would come back and show y'all. You know, I was able to get some done. So with the doubles like that and everything, I'll go ahead and, you know, let it go right now because my fingers hurt. I ain't gonna lie. My fingers hurt. This thing is, it's good. But, man, I'm telling you, some stabbing going on. So, yeah. But anyway, y'all, just wanted to come back and show y'all this right here. These my little curly ends. These most definitely are not locked, but I did go through and roughen those up a little bit to see if that would help lock them up as well. So, yep, but all right, till the next time, for real this time, okay? And if you don't come back for nothing else, come back for the the vocals. All right, see you next time. Bye.